Thank you for coming. Come inside. Really, I miss my old school days life. It was very peaceful. Annie, and what are you eating? Oh, so beautiful garden, Annie. Why are you sad? Nothing. I feel I am very alone. No, Annie and Toy ate not alone. Annie, now get up. We go to market, then your mood is good. Now I feel better, thanks. You make my day better. Wow, there are so beautiful things. Look, if you don't mind, Uncle, can I try this junk? I am very happy today, Lumia. Oh, no, rain was starting and now we go home.